video for your profile. Have you heard the news? Au pairs in host families can now include a video as part of their AuPairWorld profiles. A video brings color and life to your profile and lets your search at AuPairWorld take on a whole new dimension. Join us now to get a few simple tips on making a great presentation video for your au pair or family profile. Before you get started shooting, take a minute to think about the basics. Good lighting, an attractive background, and the right script are the building blocks you need to make a perfect video. Choose a bright location where you feel comfortable. Make sure your location will make a good impression on others too. No messy bedroom shots. And if you're outside, check that there are no strange objects or persons in the background. As an au pair, don't try to make a false impression. Don't hide behind sunglasses, caps, or too much makeup. Remember, everybody thinks rock stars are cool, but nobody really wants a rock star to take care of their kids. Tell about why you want to be an au pair and about the experience you've had working with kids. Share some information about your skills and hobbies. Do you love painting or like pets? Then talk about it. As a family, get everyone together and say hi to the future au pair. Try to give an impression of the different family members, children, adults, pets. Show what daily life will be like living together with your family. But remember, private is private. Don't share sensitive information that you might regret. For both families and au pairs, after you've got the main points of film, take some time to edit your video. Often, less is more. When your video is finished, it's easy to upload to your AuPairWorld profile. You'll be sending a brand new message to the AuPairWorld community. 2 minutes can tell so much and can help you find the au pair or the host family that really fits for you. And that finally is the whole idea behind your AuPairWorld presentation video.